2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, security system, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.